In this video, let me show you how to verify your Binance account KYC. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. If your account or the KYC is not yet verified for your Binance account, in this video let me exactly show you the steps that you need to follow. Now before you start, make sure you have the required documents such as the verified government ID, which could be your passport or your driver's license. As long as it is a government issued or a government verified ID, you can use it to verify within Binance. Now you'll be able to see the verify option visible on the top of the home page. You can just tap on verify. Now within this platform, as I said, you can have a few options depending upon your region or your country. In this situation, I have the passport as well as the residence permit. Depending upon yours, select your IDs and then tap on continue. In the next step, you'll need to take a picture of your ID depending upon the ID that you selected and then tap on continue. Also make sure that your full name within your Binance account matches your passport so that your verification process can be completed. Once all of this is complete, your account should be verified anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Also, it may take more than 24 hours depending upon your situation. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to verify your KYC within Binance. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.